That'd be fun. Penny candy. That's what reminds me of like a penny candy store.
Yeah, we do have like.
We're at the Log Cabin Village in Fort Worth. How are you doing? So where are the haunted cabins?
Oh, that's a great question.
Oh, I was just reading online. Somebody had put up a video about it and said it's even haunted. I'm like, oh. You've never seen anything weird?
Well, there's always something weird. They're old cabins.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, I know that there was an unauthorized article published in the paper in like back in '95.
Oh, really?
About all the haunting stuff. I'm like, we have never given permission for people to stay overnight. So how did a professor and a bunch of college students stay overnight? I would love to know.
How long have you worked here for?
I've been here 12 years.
Oh, wow.
So I've been here a while.
Yeah.
Most of the creepy things can be explained by, oh, we didn't latch the door, and now it's going thump, 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 and it sounds like somebody's on the stairs. Yes, it smells like flowers. It's called a Glade plug-in. Because otherwise it may smell like something died under a cabin.
Yeah, that's funny.
Oopsie.
How old are these cabins?
They date to between 1847 for our oldest one, which is not this one, but the next one.
Oh, wow.
Through about the 1880s.
Cool.
So they are old, and they are the original walls.
How long have they been here for?
April, we are celebrating our 60th year as a museum.
Oh, wow. Cool.
So it's coming up. We're going to have a big celebration.
Awesome. When is it going to be?
You'd have to check online because I don't remember the date.
All righty. Well, thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Wasn't wide enough, so they made 2 sheets and then sewed them together to make 1 blanket. Basically, you spin it over and over, and it's just you're tiny, kind of just like that. And that's all this thread is. So you get your thread, and then from there you can dye it. We have some examples of different colors. You can dye it with stuff, or just leave it blank. And then you take it over to this. This is the loom, and on here.
Good. How are you? You work here. I thought you were just someone that was bored waiting.
And it got turned into a school again. Then it was abandoned again for like 15, 20 years, at which point it was going to be demolished. Popped it on the back of a flatbed and drove it across town.
Where was it originally?
So this was over by Marine Creek, which is north of the Stockwoods.
Yep. Okay. How long have you been working here for?
I've been here for a couple of years now.
Cool.
And I will say it's the best job I've ever had.
Really? Wow, that's cool.
So, yeah.
And then is this where they would just wash up, or if they want to drink the water? Scott, these are chalkboards on the wall.
Oh, wow.
All right, well, you have a great day. Thank you. Oh, so where you dry your herbs.
Oh, wow. I don't think I could fit in there.
Find that artifact. Well, this is kind of like a game, you know, like needle in a haystack.
Yeah. Where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo? Very simple, huh?
Yeah. You think you could live in a place like this?
If I had to be out of the elements, yeah.
To make these candles, but what we have right in here, this is a hot pot of paraffin wax, so same stuff our birthday candles are made out of.
Okay.
But the pioneers, they would have been using tallow, animal fat.
Mm-hmm.
And this process would occur in the fall as cotton string, just like this one right here. This would be their base, their wick. They'd hang over a stick and then dip down into the tallow layer by layer. After 10 dips, we get what I like to call a little spaghetti noodle looking candle. 20 dips, we're making a little bit of progress. 30 dips, kind of seeing it. And then after 2 hours of work and 50 dips, we get our final product. Candle would only burn for about 30 minutes.
Really?
We're made from tallow. That's going to attract all the other animals out on the frontier. And if your candles get eaten, you've got a big problem on your hands. Families storing their candles in a wooden box, just like this. This box isn't going to cut it for the summer sun. Your candles are going to melt.
Oh my God.
So if y'all would like to help dip a candle,
sure,
you're welcome to choose any candle off my wagon wheel over here. And we just dip it down real quick. Since it's a cooler day out today, we'll be able to see that color change real fast as the wax solidifies. So
dip my candle and just pull it right out.
Yep, you got it.
Yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm just flattening it out. Making it nice and flat. These are two different types of horseshoes for two different types of horses.
We're already at the end.
How much did it cost to come in?
For both of us and my senior discount, $13. So.
Oh, okay. Well, all right.
I remember when I brought our grandkids here years ago, I got these pencils and they were made of wood. They were really cool. Do you guys have them?
Right here on that middle bottom shelf. By the notepad.
You know,
Yeah.
Do you want one?
Very reasonably priced.
yeah, like having
You get
Village.
you a candle and a pencil.
Yeah.
Has their own preference. They're a little bit different in the color.
Is this for sale too, right here? That you're listening?
Yeah. Show you what I got too. Hand dipped wax candles. They only burn for about 30 minutes, so Scott said get the fattest ones, and they're pretty. And then I got this pen that's carved out of a tree, out of a stick.
Very nice.
It was a lot of fun.
That's how they do.